Welcome to this video on the Keto Advantage, harnessing the power of ketosis for rapid weight loss. My name is, your name, and in this video, we'll be exploring the benefits of the keto diet, how it works, and how you can use it to achieve rapid weight loss. Understanding the keto diet is a low carbohydrate, high fat diet that is designed to put your body in a state of ketosis. When you eat a diet high in carbohydrates, your body uses glucose for energy. However, when you reduce your carbohydrate intake and increase your fat intake, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead. This leads to rapid weight loss. The benefits of the keto diet offers many benefits for your health, in addition to rapid weight loss. These benefits include improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and improved cognitive function. By reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake, you can reap the benefits of the keto diet. How to get started with the keto diet? Getting started with the keto diet can be a challenge, especially if you're used to eating a high carbohydrate diet. However, there are many resources available to help you get started. In this section, we'll explore how to get started with the keto diet, including 1. How to calculate your macros, the number of carbohydrates, protein, and fat you should eat. 2. What foods to eat on a keto diet. 3. What foods to avoid on a keto diet. Keto recipes for rapid weight loss. Eating a diet high in fat may seem counterintuitive if you're used to a low-fat diet, but there are many delicious and satisfying keto recipes that can help you achieve rapid weight loss. In this section, we'll explore some of the best keto recipes for weight loss, including 1. Keto cauliflower fried rice. 2. Keto avocado stuffed chicken breast. 3. Keto chocolate peanut butter fat bombs. Tips for success on the keto diet. The keto diet can be challenging, but there are many tips and tricks that can help you succeed. In this section, we'll explore some of the best tips for success on the keto diet, including 1. Meal prep and planning. 2. Tracking your progress. 3. Staying hydrated. 4. Getting enough sleep. Conclusion. And there you have it, a complete guide to the Keto Advantage, harnessing the power of ketosis for rapid weight loss. Whether you're new to the keto diet or a seasoned pro, these tips, tricks, and recipes can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas.